Give me a few seconds, and I'll help you let go of your fear of rejection. First, understand this. Rejection doesn't mean you're not good enough. It simply means you were brave enough to try. It's not the opposite of success. It's actually part of the journey towards success. Think about it. Nobody gets selected without being ignored first. Every no you hear is quiet, pushing you toward a future. Yes, you face rejection. You adjust your path and then you rise higher. That isn't rejection, that's redirection to something better that's built for you. Remember this. Fear stands for false evidence appearing real, because most of the things we fear haven't even happened yet. So why let imaginary worries control your real life? If rejection scares you, then staying stuck in the same place should scare you even more. Growth never happens inside your comfort zone. The moment you choose courage over comfort, your transformation begins. So show up, fail, try again, because that's how winners are made.